We're going to talk about the Siren Ready Model. So this is a fully trained and tested model that you can deploy in your devices and in your products. What we're going to look at today is taking the hex file that we have precompiled for this board, deploy it on this AI evaluation kit, and then do some real-time testing and talk a bit about what kind of applications this can be used in. So first thing, we're going to go to Models Toolbox. I have already connected my board. I'm just going to first select the ready model, and that's the Siren model. Then I'm going to hit connect and then program it. And then essentially, if you go to the terminal, you can see at the bottom here that we have the Siren model running. And we also have a heartbeat that shows that it's running in real time. So now I'm going to play some audio data and we're going to see how the model reacts to this data. So we can see that when the siren sound played, that we had multiple detections of the siren. We had a detection that happened at 29 seconds since the start of the program. We had one at 31 seconds, 33, 35, 37. So essentially, every 2 seconds, you get a prediction as an output from the model for continuous siren sound. In this program, we also have a heartbeat that helps you keep track of the model. So every time a dot is printed, that's essentially 10 predictions. So how can you use the Siren model? You can use it in various ways. One thing is that when pedestrians are crossing the road, sometimes they have noise-canceling headphones and they're not paying attention. So one thing you can do is actually, if you detect that there is a siren in the vicinity, you can actually turn down the volume of headphones or turn off the noise canceling. You can also do a gentle nudge to direct the user in the right direction. So if there's a siren, you can say, hey, there's a siren, hey, you should be aware of what's going on around you. So that's one application. Another one is you can detect when there's some kind of important scenario happening outside. So if you have like a security camera, you can identify that there is a siren and maybe turn on the video camera so you can look at what's coming in from the feed. You can also use it for many other applications. In the end, how it works is you take audio data from your microphone, you pass it into the model, and then you get an output, a flag that a siren is detected. Then you can use this to drive functionality in your products.